the new TI-84 Evo, Lines and Conics app part 5. Here we're going to show the ellipse and hyperbola templates. Press the Home On key to see all of the icons, over and down to get to the Lines and Conics app. Press Enter. We're going to be able to add an equation. Since we want an ellipse, I'm going to press Enter. And then instead of going to the right, I'm going to go to the left and see the two hyperbola templates and then the ellipse template, and press Enter for OK. And I want x minus 4, the quantity squared, use the right arrow. Y minus a negative 3 squared, right arrow. 5 squared for 25, and 6 squared for 36, enter. And then we'll press graph. For the next one, I want the hyperbola, one of the hyperbola templates. So I'm going to go back to y equals and turn off E1 and turn on E2. And I already typed it in so you could see it. And then I'll graph it and trace. And then for the last one, I'll turn off E2. And I used the hyperbola template to get E3. Turn that on. Notice I had to type this as radical 20 squared. Press graph. And here's a summary of the 3 graphs. For more TI-84 Evo videos, please visit this website. It is case sensitive.